Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a 2x6 banner in Canva and print. If you're looking to design a clean, professional banner, whether it's for an event, business, or personal use, a 2x6 banner is a very popular size. The challenge for most people isn't the design, it's getting the dimensions right and making sure the final file is high quality for printing. The good news is that Canva makes this process extremely simple, as long as you set up your canvas correctly and export it the right way. To begin, open your browser and go to Canva. Log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on the Create button. From the dropdown, select Custom Size. Now enter the dimensions: width 72, height 24. Make sure the units are set to inches. Why this matters? A 2x6 banner means 2 feet by 6 feet, and since there are 12 inches in a foot, 6 feet equals 72 inches, 2 feet equals 24 inches, so this setup gives you the exact banner size. Once entered, click Create New Design. After your canvas loads, Canva may suggest templates. You can select any template that fits your style or purpose. Once selected, start editing the design. Here's what you can customize. Text, change the wording, font style, and size. Colors, match your brand or theme. Images, replace with your own photos or graphics. Layout, move elements around for better spacing. Clarification, make sure your text is large enough to be readable from a distance. Banners are usually viewed from far away. Also, avoid placing important content too close to the edges to prevent it from being cut off during printing. Take your time here. This step determines how professional your banner will look. Once you're done designing, go to the Share button at the top right. Click on Download. Now choose your file type. PDF print, recommended, best for high-quality printing. JPEG, alternative, set quality to 100%. This may require a subscription. Important, PDF print is the best option because it preserves quality and ensures sharp text and images. After selecting your format, click Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it on your computer. If you chose PDF print, open the PDF file. From there, click on Print. Make sure the size is set correctly, no scaling issues. The printer supports large format printing, or use a print shop. For best results, consider printing at a professional print service if you don't have a large format printer. Using Canva makes it easy to design and prepare banners with the correct dimensions and quality. To summarize, creating a 2x6 banner in Canva involves setting a custom size of 72 by 24 inches, choosing and editing a template, downloading it as a PDF print file, and printing it at the correct scale. This ensures your banner looks professional and prints correctly. And that's how to create and print a 2x6 banner in Canva. Once you understand how to set the correct dimensions and export your file properly, the entire process becomes straightforward. The key is paying attention to the details: canvas size, design layout, and export quality. These small things make a huge difference in how your final banner turns out. If you're creating banners regularly, you'll get faster and more confident with each design, and you can even build templates to reuse in the future. And remember, if your printer can't handle large formats, don't hesitate to use a professional printing service for the best results. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.